Hello everybody, welcome. I'm the old food guy and today I'm going to do one of these. People have probably seen these before. I've never tried it. This is from B&M, but it's an extra hot one. So it's only £1. But I'm going to do a vegetable one. So it should be quite simple. So let's see how you cook it. There's the instructions there. You see that? I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, it says mix a quarter of this with 340ml of water, cold water, and stir, put the vegetables in and cook away. So let's see what it's like. But before we do that, I'm going to do a bit of rice. This was 45p from Aldi, this was. You get 4 bags, put it in a bag, it's nice and easy. Works out like what, 11 odd p a bag. Each bag serves 2, so I'm going to try that. I've also got myself some of these. I'm going to do a few potatoes in it as well. I've already pre-cooked these. They'll go in the microwave for 8 minutes. I'm just going to chop them up, put them in there. See what that looks like. And just some mixed veg. Go down to a mixed veg. Job's a good one. I'm not going to put any onions in. So you can if you want to, but let's have a look at it, see what it's like. That's it there. So there's a quarter of this. So I've never tried this before, but I suppose quite a lot have. Oh, smells very curry. There it is. Let's get over to the cooker and start cooking. Right, first things first, I'm going to get my rice. It takes 15 minutes. I've already boiled some water. Just going to stick that in. Let it do its thing. And in the meantime, we'll get on with the other stuff. So I'm going to warm the pan up. So you've got to put 340ml of water in. Like so. Quarter of a pack of this. Not quarter, a third of a pack I think it said. I don't know. That looks about enough anyway. And give it a constant mix. Well, that's thickening up a little bit. Not a lot at the minute. But I've got to get the veg in. So let's get some vegetables in. Just a handful of anything, it doesn't really matter. It's only a test this. There we go. I'm going to give that a mix, get it all thick. Thickening it up now. Just keep stirring, it says. Right, that's right, it's thickened up now. Looking really nice. Look how thick that is. I'm going to stick the potatoes in now, because the potatoes are already cooked. So let's get the potatoes in. Smells like a curry. Well, that's done. Looking nice. Looking very nice. Smells nice. How thick that is. Well, I'll wait for the rice to be done. Rice will be another couple of minutes. Then we'll dish it up. Right, everything's done. Rice is done, there's rice in the bag. So it's for 2 people. Hot. So let's cut that open. Let's get the rice on. Hot. Very hot. Ooh, that's hot. There's the rice. It's perfect rice actually, to be fair. It's perfect. If you struggle to cook rice, get one of them rice in the bags. So simple. And then we've got the curry mix. There it is. Look at that. Beauty. Absolute beauty. What do you think? Yes, no? That's got to be the cheapest curry you can ever make, ain't it? A pound for that big box of curry mix. 70p for the vegetables. 80p for the potatoes. And 45p for the rice. But it's all in the taste. So let's give it a taste. Right then, let's taste it. Looks gorgeous, to be fair. So you can give... There we go. Perfect, look. Let's try a bit of the rice first on its own. That rice is perfect, 45p. If you struggle to cook rice, just get one of them rice in the bags. Try a bit of the sauce just on its own. It's nice and spicy, so it's nice extra hot. Oh, yeah, it has got a kick. It has got a kick. Bit of a curry potato. Oh, that's nice. Curry carrot. Oh, that's a big piece of broccoli. Curry broccoli. I'll tell you what. It's stunning, that is. So a bit of it, all of it together now. Oh wow. Oh, absolute wow. That's gorgeous. That's absolutely gorgeous. Oh God. That's stunning. About £3. Something like that. £3. Brilliant. That's thumbs up for me for that. Definitely 100%. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Leave us a comment. Anything you want me to cook. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. Bit more curry. Budget cooking food. Lovely. Lovely. You can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong. That's gorgeous. I'm going to eat the rest of this. Bye bye.